Alright, what's going on, my Himiway owning friends? I'm sure you're watching this video to see how far you can go on just battery alone. No pedaling, just battery. Now, I plan on putting my bike in the back of my truck. I'm going to go somewhere that hopefully maybe we can see a little bit nicer scenery. I did go weigh myself, if it means anything. My weight right now, I weighed myself with the 4 water bottles. I weigh about 167 pounds. So this is going to be different if you weigh a lot more, or you weigh a little less, or if you're going up big hills or going down a lot of hills. And I do have 20 pounds of pressure in my tires. Normally I don't even ride with that much, but if you have 20 pounds of pressure, I would guess maybe you'll be able to go a little further than if you have little softer tires. I did reset my tripometer, and I'm going to set my phone to see how far my phone says, because they may be a little bit different. And if you're new to my channel, at the same time, I may be putting this video up where I'm turning my kid trailer, where I used to tow my kids around into a little trailer that I'm going to pull behind my bike. It's going to have a nice little fancy flag on it, and these are some of the sides, and this is going to be the back. I think it should turn out and look really nice. So I'll have that video on also. So let me get my bike loaded up, and we'll see how far I can go on battery alone. Alright, here we go. My trip is at 0. My phone is at 0. Now I plan on going sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Does anybody know where I'm at? All the bikers are going to think I'm lazy. There's the Susquehanna. I think my phone just said I went 2 miles. Thank you. This is a pretty big hill. Break time. Little League World Series. Now does anybody know where I'm at? Alright, let's get going. See how fast we can go. I'm gonna hit a squirrel. 32. 6 miles. electric bike. Cruising. I can fit through that gate. Oh, I'm down to 2 bars and I went around 15 miles. Yep, my phone says about 15.8 or 15.1. I did turn my light on just a little bit ago. Thought it'd be a little safer. That might take up a little battery. Got ducks. Where are you guys going? Oh, we got lots of animals. Let's see if we can scare the crap out of them. You guys aren't very scared of nothing. Throw a comment down below and guess right now. Let me know how far you think I'm gonna go. So far I'm at 19 miles and I got 2 bars left. It looked like my stepbrother. I think it is. I'm gonna follow him. Sir, you need a new car.
What in the hell are you doing?
I'm riding my bike to see how far I can go on this dang thing. And it's taking me forever. My ears are getting cold. Have fun, don't get hurt. That's what my stepbrother Guy says. How many people are gonna comment down below that I'm breaking some rules or laws? I don't know. Don't do as I do. Ooh, glass. Need anything at Lowe's? Think I could ride right through the store? Ooh, groundhog. Ooh, something smells good. I'm hungry. Think we can shoot through there? Is that legal? Ooh, groundhog. See if we can get another one. Oh, rabbit. Sorry, rabbit, not a groundhog. Can't see. Bright light. Anybody winning?
Yeah.
All right. Almost hit my head. Oh, speeding. Oh, 1 bar. Finally down to 1 bar. Alright, let's start heading back to my truck. I don't feel like pedaling too much. Bike is heavy. I think it's starting to slow down. Won't go 28 no more. I think I'm gonna get past. My bike's starting to die. I'm seeing how far this thing will go without pedaling, so.
Oh, cool.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's dying. Yeah. Up this hill. I hope this gets back to my truck. Oh, bridge. I've never been out here. Over the river and through. Uh-oh. Squirrel. I think these bikes slow down like that so you don't ruin your battery. So I think really when you start going this slow, you might want to start charging your battery or head back home and charge your battery back up. Oh, I gotta push it. Well, there you have it. I went about 27.9 miles on my bike, almost 28 miles. Now, I went up and down a lot of hills, and let's see what my phone says. My phone says about 27 miles, 26.9. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to make it as interesting as I could. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.